Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can send absolutely any media file in Facebook Messenger application on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under this video, also write your comments and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, you and me friends, let's get started on this topic already. And first of all, you will need on your iPhone to find an application called Files and open it. And then at the bottom on the right side, click on View. This will take you to a menu like this, which I have open right now. Next, friends, select that folder, that section where you have your media files stored. It could be either iCloud Drive, or it could be the next option on my iPhone. Choose either one of them. After that, select a folder, or if you don't have folders, then just some photos or videos. Now you will need to send such media file to Facebook Messenger. To do that, you will need to click on it and hold it down. You will see a menu like this above the media file. Click on Share here. After that, at the bottom of the menu, select Facebook Messenger. Now you will either have to find the person you want to send to from the list of people, or you can just type the person's name into the search box, tag them, and hit Send. In just a few seconds, the media file in the form of a photo or video will be sent. In order to make sure of it, friends, you can open the Facebook Messenger application and open up a conversation with the person, and you'll see that the file has been sent. This is how you can easily send any media file to the Facebook Messenger app, whether it's a photo or a video on your iPhone. I hope you found this video useful. Friends, please put your likes, write comments under this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.